Hi, what's up, Lee? Welcome to Richard Insider. Today we're gonna talk about Dogecoin. If this is your first time to Richard Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing, crypto trading. So if you want to make more money, you can subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out any of our videos. Get free stocks, cryptos, and audiobooks in the description and comment at the end of the video. So I'm not a financial advisor. I just sharing my opinions and knowledge and experience for entertainment purposes only. So why big Dogecoin drop? And we're gonna talk about Dogecoin prediction, and also I'm gonna share some Dogecoin good news for you. And what is buy the rumors and sell the news? So Dogecoin is now 25 cents. So it used to be 71 cents. That it dropped. It dropped to 17 cents. So recently it just bounced back. So why one of the reasons is because Bitcoin falls below 30,000 after China's crackdown. So another reason is because I haven't posted videos for a few days. So every time I did not post the videos, a stock market crash and big Dogecoin crash. So I'm thinking about posting more videos for you. What do you think about it? Do you want me to post more videos? I'm gonna post crypto videos in the morning and stock market videos in the afternoon. What do you think about it? Comment down below. So this news is not news. Really, it's not news. China burned great Bitcoin in 2013, but they did not enforce it. But they are starting to enforce it now. So everybody got freaked out. So it's paper hands, weak hands. They wanted to sell really quick, and Bitcoin, the China provinces started to ban Bitcoin mining and Bitcoin also financing. So they told the banks not to finance anything related to cryptocurrency or crypto trading. So a lot of the China Bitcoin miners, what do? They sell Bitcoins to basically to wrap up their operations and to open another operations in other parts of the world. So they been selling Bitcoin. So that's another reason why the market is down, because the market has been inundated with the Bitcoin. So let's look at other news. Dogecoin is not the only Bitcoin Dogecoin that crashed. Also, that Doge car also crashes during the NASCAR race. So basically, if you look at it, Dogecoin branded race car crashed into the wall. So it's obviously it didn't win. It didn't win for obvious reason. So Dogecoin fund really liked the Dogecoin, so he sponsored this Dogecoin race car. So yeah, the driver was fine. Nothing happened to the driver. And another reason why the Bitcoin and Dogecoin crash is people are telling is because of Coinbase. Every time Coinbase has a milestone achieved, something happened. Like the first time Coinbase was listed on April 14th, became a public company. The share price jumped to 630. Then it just crashed. Just like the Bitcoin hit all-time high was 64,000. Then it crashed after that. Dogecoin basically also was listed on Coinbase. Just before that, Dogecoin was climbing, but after the Coinbase listed Dogecoin, it just crashed. So everybody's saying it's because of the Coinbase. In my opinion, it's because of buy the rumors and sell the news. Dogecoin hit 71 cents just before Elon Musk went on Saturday Night Live, then crashed after that. People were buying the news, then they sold the buying the new rumors, and they sold the news. So just the same way. After Dogecoin crashed, then Dogecoin went back up again. Just before Coinbase listed, everybody was buying the rumors, selling the news, similarly like that. So, but it's good to know. So, what could Dogecoin price be? So, these are what the other experts are saying. One investor said, Doge 1 year and 5 year price target of 44 cents and $1.12 respectively. Investing Cube also notes support for Dogecoin 28 cents level. And Forest Crunch also believes Dogecoin could potentially trade above 30 cents in bullish market conditions. And Capital.com suggests that a price target of $1 by April 2025 is feasible. So these are what other people are saying. But these Dogecoin millionaires is very bullish. He lost a lot of money. I mean, basically he didn't sell, so he hasn't lost that or unrealized loss. 167,000 in just one day. So his portfolio is now 831,000. He's no longer a Dogecoin millionaire, but his portfolio used to hit 2 million. One Dogecoin was about 73 cents. 73 cents. So he said that, hey, I'm not gonna sell Dogecoin until his portfolio become 10 million. So which is Dogecoin price of $3.50. Around $3.50 he's gonna start selling. I think it's gonna be quite really far reach. I'm not suggesting you do that. He put all his money in Dogecoin. I always like to do discipline investing. Investing that has a higher chance for most people to succeed in life. So this is like 1 in 100 people. So it's 1 in 100 chance that this can become a millionaire. So of course, because he became famous for holding Dogecoin, I think he likes to keep his reputation. But anyway, nonetheless, another Dogecoin bull news that I like is Dogecoin founder buys crypto for the first time in 8 years. After they invented Dogecoin, they sold out. They sold everything. Now he started buying. Who is that? It's basically Bailey Marcus. So Bailey Marcus is a co-creator together with Jason Palmer. Basically a joke for the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. So Bailey bought the Bitcoin Dogecoin again. So that you could say it's a good news. Maybe he might probably do something about it, do development to Dogecoin. Another thing that I don't like about Dogecoin is it has unlimited supply, just like US dollars. If the government keeps printing money, the money becomes worth less than less. So if the Dogecoin has unlimited supply, what's there for the Dogecoin to appreciate? So that's another thing to think about. So will you buy or hold or sell? This is what I would do. You can do whatever you like. This is not financial advice. I personally like Bitcoin and Ethereum better than Dogecoin. So but another thing is, do not underestimate popularity of Dogecoin. We never know how the pump's gonna be like, but Bitcoin has limited supply of 21 million. So a lot of millionaires want to buy, billionaires, institutional investors want to buy. There simply not enough Bitcoin to go around. Ethereum has a smart contract and NFT platform. So Ethereum has a wide range of users. So Dogecoin, when we use Dogecoin, it has infinite supply. But the one thing that it has is the popularity. So, but nonetheless, Bitcoin has to jump over 42,000 to become the bull market. So Bitcoin needs to succeed for the other alternative coins to succeed. Another thing you need to know about the opportunity of either money. If you put your money in Dogecoin and sit over there, could you be missing out other opportunities in stocks or in investment? So that's one thing you need to think about. And also, if you cannot sleep or if you cannot eat just because you put too much money in a Dogecoin, it's not an investment, it's a gambling. So like I said, don't invest more than what you can afford to lose. So if you can lose sleep or food or dinner or lunch over worries, it's not worth it. So if you might want to cut some of the holdings, or if it's gonna make you lose, if you make profits, just trim it a little bit. So I do portfolio management very good. So I already fulfill my position, my portfolio with crypto. So I'm not in a rush to buy. So I'm waiting for 20,000 Bitcoin. I believe it could potentially hit 20,000 before it hit 100,000. So if it didn't hit, it's okay. I already have the enough percentage portfolio of cryptocurrency. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You can click the link down below to get free stocks of cryptos or free stock audibles. And if you want to get the best credit card, you can use the link down below as well. And you can also switch to $15 a month unlimited mobile plan if you want to do that. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.